Hello everyone, welcome back to Rainy Day Bakery. Today we are making cake roll. We need 5 eggs, 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of sugar. First of all, let's divide the egg yolks from the egg whites. Add some sugar and beat the whites. If the white doesn't fall down, it's ready. After that, let's beat the yolks. Add the rest of the sugar and mix them first. Later, add the flour. Take a third of your whites to yolks and mix them together. Pour the rest of the dough into the remaining whites. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the dough for 15 minutes. It's time to make the cream for the roll. We need double cream and sugar. You don't have to count the sugar for the cream, just add how much works best for you. You can always make extra cream for later. Now cut yourself a big piece after all your hard work.